Welcome back, everybody. Let us read together. Look at the candle. This is a flower. Here is the crab. I see a doll. This is a boy. Here is the bowl. Look at the bus. He kicks the ball. This is my dog. Here is the train. I see the bridge. This is a nest. Look at the lamp. The eye is blue. Well done, everybody. Baie mooi, maats. Kom ons kyk of julle hierdie volgende sinne heeltemal op julle eie kan lees. Let us see if you can read the following sentences all on your own. Well done, everybody. You make me so super proud. Next time, we are going to learn some more sentences. And thank you for watching this video. Dankie maats dat julle so mooi saam met my geleer het vandag. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, tot volgende keer maats. Totsiens.